Ring, ring, ring. Postman. Who this?
Jerry the worst. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Jerry, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this sleek braided low ponytail. All right. That's the full title of it. So basically, I started off by just making a part, made a side part with a slant on it just because I thought it looked nice, honestly. And then I did a part at the back of my ear because I wanted to have a lot of hair going towards the front. That way the back of my head could be easier to like sleek down. After I had my part nice and concise, I went on to flat iron my hair. And I know a lot of you guys do not like pressing your hair because it's heat. Duh, why would you press it? But what I realized is if I just go in with some eco styler, or if I just go in with some edge control after I blow dry my hair out, it just does not look that sleek. It doesn't look as sleek as it would if I flat ironed it and I'm using way too much product in my hair. Also, I don't know how many times I have to reiterate this to people, but I have relaxed hair. I'm a proud relaxer user, you know, but people seem to believe that I have natural hair, which is fine, you know, I don't have a problem with that, but I just got to tell people, you know, the techniques I use to take care of my hair is going to be way different from the way that you use to take care of your hair. And that doesn't necessarily mean that my hair is damaged. That doesn't mean your hair is damaged. It just means we do different things, you know, so do what works for you, you know. So after I was done smoothing my hair, I also moisturized my hair with the pink lotion, and I did put a little bit of grease in my hair just to moisturize my scalp and to help lay my hair down. I don't know, basically when I put grease and the pink lotion in, it makes my hair way down, and that way it's less likely to have those little flyaways. And then I use my even edge control to also sleek my edges as well as where I did the part at, just to make sure the hair was laying flat as possible, basically. I put all these products in to moisturize my hair and to make it lay flat, and the even edge control is literally the best edge control out here. Thank you to one of my subscribers who left a comment last time telling me to use it. I used it in the past and forgot all about it. Then I purchased it again. I was like, yeah, I actually really liked it. So after I did my little side braid, I used my free tresses jumbo braiding hair to do this, and I just did my little side braid and put it into a little rubber band to let it sit in place while I sleek down the rest of my hair. So I just took it out the bantu knot that I made and sleeked down my hair with the edge control, the even edge control, and a bristle brush, and I just started brushing it back, and that was pretty much it. For the front of my hair, I kind of brushed it back at an angle, so I kind of swooped it in a C-like motion just to give it some type of little design to it. And yeah. So after I was done sleeking down my hair, I put my hair into a low ponytail with the braid connected inside of it, and then I braided my hair all together. And this is going to prep it for the ladder method to connect the hair. Today I'm going to be using Ali Beauty Forever hair. Again, it's in the Malaysian Curly in the lengths 24 and 26. And I had 3 bundles, but I decided to use only 2 because 3 would have looked way too freaking big. And this hair is really soft. Like I said in my previous video, I like this hair a lot. Once it gets a little bit older, it looks more realistic. So I wrapped it in a method where I doubled the widths, and then so basically I doubled the widths first, and then my braid was kind of long, so I put the rest of my braid inside of a little elastic band, and I took the end of the width and connected it to my head with a pin. Okay, all right, and so I'm going to show you guys it's stuck in place, right? Alright, and so after that I started to wrap it from the bottom going upwards of my ponytail, just to give it that layered, feathered off type of effect, so I don't have to cut the hair or manipulate it in any way. And as you guys will see, I am taking my time. This video clip is sped up, but I take my time and kind of wrap it around
really tight along that braid, because I'm not going to be putting a lot of pins in it. I never really have to put a lot of pins in my hair, just because I wrap it super tight around that braid, and I take my time and keep wrapping it up. The first bundle should be only on the braid, and then the second bundle is kind of at the top of your head, and you just move from there. You know, if you make sure it's really tight, it's not going to move, the braid's not going to show through, it just looks really pretty. So after I was done wrapping my hair, it didn't look too realistic to me, so I took some hair from the bottom of the hair that I wrapped around and then I started to wrap that around the ponytail just to give it a more realistic effect to it. Yeah, because it just kind of looked too bulky too fast, so I just used that piece of the ponytail just to like subdue it a little bit. And whenever my hair looked too big, all I did was just add a little bit of water to it. I didn't do it on camera, but once you add water, it kind of just subdues the hair and it kind of looks a little bit more realistic, a little bit more tamed. After everything was said and done, I just smoothed my edges a little bit just to give it a little bit more of a style effect, I guess. And, you know, I just wanted to do that. I always lay down my edges. And that's it, you guys. I'm done. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy. Tell me what you think about this hairstyle. And let me know if you try out Ali Beauty Forever hair. I really enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoy it too. And I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all later. Bye.